Yes, people, welcome back to Sami Learns, your favorite show on YouTube. Yes, we're back for another one. And in today's episode, you're going to enjoy this episode a lot. You're going to laugh a lot, you're going to learn a lot. And that's essentially the purpose of the show, to encourage everyone to go out there and put themselves out in their uncomfort zone. Because when you put yourself in your uncomfort zone, it just gets the best out of you, essentially. It makes you feel like you could do anything. But yeah, without further ado, like, subscribe, comment if you want to, all that shit. Yeah, enjoy the episode. Welcome to Sami Learns. Today, I'm horse riding. I've never been as close as I am to a horse in my life. I am pooping my pants a little bit. Today, I'm joined by Phoebe, who's going to take us through the horse riding. Phoebe, please tell us what you're going to take us through today.
So, first of all, you've got to be able to get on in the first place.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to teach you how to make her stop, steer, and then even do trotting.
Okay, cool. Okay, I'm like I mentioned to you, I'm pooping my pants. I'm nervous. How heavy is this horse?
Heavy.
Yeah.
700 kilos.
700 kilos.
Yeah.
So if this horse kicks me, I would end up back at home.
Yeah, maybe.
But yeah, let's.
So first of all, to get on, I'll get the blocks so you don't have to stretch the top.
Okay. Yeah, I've got leather pants on, so I might. Yeah.
Okay, so stand onto there.
Okay.
And then you're going to put, these are the reins in your left hand like that.
Okay, so this is, sorry, what is it?
Yeah, reins.
Reins, what does that mean? Like,
that's what the straps are called, and that's what's attached on here. So when you pull her, she'll feel it in her mouth, and that's how she's controlled.
Okay. So this basically helps me guide basically the horse around her. So do you want me to jump on it?
Right, so now you've got to put your left foot in there.
All right.
And then I'll go on the other side to hold it still.
Oh God, I'm not that flexible. Oh God.
Can you get it in? Or do you want me to put it down lower?
I should be all right there. Hold up. My fault. Sorry.
Okay. And put your hands in the front there. Stuff on.
Okay.
And just lift your foot up.
Oh my gosh, I'm on a horse.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I'm really high.
You are.
I'm in a Range Rover.
Right. So now you've got to try and hold the rubber bit here.
The rubber bit there.
Hand down
Like this, yeah.
Yeah.
And then my other hand.
That one.
Like
and then put your little finger underneath, so it just goes like that.
Like that. Okay. Like that, yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Now you're all set.
I'm on set. I'm on a horse.
So now, to make her stop, if she was to walk off, to make her stop, I would obviously just stop her. Okay?
Yeah.
But if you just pull both hands to your tummy, she will stop.
Okay. So if I pull both hands towards me, she will stop.
Slows down and stops.
Okay. 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 Cool.
If you want to turn left, you just pull your left hand.
Just pull my left hand.
Yeah. And right, just pull your right one. So just sort of pull it back towards your tummy.
Okay. So left that way, and then she will go left, and right that way, she will go right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. So now we're going to take her for a walk, and you're going to walk basically all the way around. Okay.
Really?
So, yeah. I'll hold her.
Yeah.
So you're going to push your legs like that into her sides. So it's like you're sort of giving her a bit of a kick.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, like actually, like hugging her.
Yeah. There you go. Okay.
Okay. Oh my God.
Turn that way.
That way, yeah? Then I pull towards my, yeah. Oh, all right. Okay. No speed limits around here, yeah?
Okay. This is it. It's as fast as you've got to go to stop.
Oh shit. Oh my gosh.
And then you can
Oh, then I squeeze if I want to go like quicker, basically.
Yeah.
That's the aim.
Yeah. So the more you use your legs, the faster they go.
Oh, right.
And the more you pull, the slower they go.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Like yourself.
Yeah. Oh. I'm in one of those cowboy movies. Where's my rope? I need my rope.
You have to come and do that another time. You can have a western saddle on.
Yeah.
And then basically you put your rope above
and then I could catch people with my rope.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is sensational. Jesus. Okay. It's not as hard as I thought it would be, you know.
Fine with her.
Okay.
It's much more comfortable and easy.
Okay. So stand up, sit down is the best technique when she's when you're trotting, basically.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's do it while she's standing still. So just make her stop.
Yeah. Okay.
And then
break.
just see if you can push yourself up. So use your thigh muscles to sit yourself up.
Like that.
Push yourself higher and go a little bit further forwards.
So like that? Yeah. Okay, cool. So stand up, sit down, then stand up and sit down.
Fantastic, much better speed, yeah.
Yeah,
like
cool. Okay, let's go.
When you stand up, don't pull on the reins, otherwise she'll stop.
Alright, so I just leave the reins.
Hold them, but yeah, try not to pull.
Not to pull, okay.
And
okay, cool.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Push up, and then sit down again. Push up again, then sit down again.
Yeah. Okay. That
wasn't bad.
That wasn't too bad, but it could be better.
Yeah. Push up and forwards. Well done. Just got to keep it a bit higher every time. Make it more definite stand up.
Because I'm plowing. I'm not plowing. Sorry, I'm bouncing too hard. Yeah. Okay. Bluebell, whenever you're ready, go up. It's up to you.
Come on in. Let's go.
Okay, cool. A little kick is to go faster, basically, right?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
Let's get it. Okay.
Lift yourself up. Go on, bring it back.
Yeah, I went around that corner a bit too sharp.
Down here at A.
Yeah.
And then turn around.
Okay.
There you go. Let's pull this one a bit.
Oh boy.
And then just aim down here, there.
All right. Oh shit. And left. And left. And left. And left. Oh, crashed. Okay. And right. And right. And right. Okay. Woo, that was smooth. That was good. Whoa. Skirt. And then we go this way.
Yeah, well done.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
So around this one, go back again, do one more go.
Yeah. You're right, yeah?
Rub on.
Yeah. Nah, that's all right. Listen, take your time. There's no rush.
Okay, and turn around, back you go.
Yeah, okay. Hold up. Hold on. Yeah. It's a bit hard to okay.
Yeah, keep pushing your legs until she goes to set.
Okay. That way. Then to the left.
Yeah.
Okay. Indicating. Indicating left. Oh my gosh. Who would have thought I'll be on a horse?
Yeah, well done. That was really good.
Yeah.
Okay, so then take it all the way around the edge here.
Yeah?
And then just pull a little bit harder on your right rein.
Yeah. And do you want me to go around again, yeah?
And then go all the way around the edge, yeah?
Around the edge.
You jump that next.
Yeah? Okay. Jumper?
Jump.
Yeah. Jump where? What does that do?
Make some go.
Just give it a kiss.
Yeah. And it goes faster.
Oh God. Oh, don't put it on sport mode. Keep it on comfort. Oh my gosh.
That was good.
Yeah.
Did you make somebody?
Okay. No, yeah. It's maybe because I was panicking a little bit, but let's get Whoa, what's going on?
Over that way.
So you mentioned that they don't see colours, so she probably didn't see that there.
She would have seen it, just it was a bit more as a grey rather than bright.
Okay, cool. Then steer this way a little bit.
Right.
Oh my gosh, I feel the adrenaline kicking in already. I really want to be on a cowboy movie. Like, I really do now. I know how it feels. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah! Oh, you missed it. It's going really well and you missed it. I know. I've got... Oh. Gotta say hi to the camera there. Gotta say hi to the camera. Wow.
How you found it?
Oh, bro, I feel like my thighs, I've left the group chat. My thighs, I've left the group chat, you know. I swear.
Head that way again.
Okay. Turn right. Indicate. Oh, there we go.
Okay, go and do the pole like you did last time, but actually get over this time.
Okay.
Because it looked really good.
Yeah.
And then she missed it.
Okay, yeah. Okay, cool. That's it, girl.
Yeah!
There we go. Come on. Okay. Come this way, man. Yo, come this way. Yo, come this. She's not listening to me.
Okay, while you're there, you can go the pole this way.
Yeah. She's doing what she wants.
That way.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, and then go around again, do it again, and see if you can do it in trot.
And then we go it quicker. Kicking this bit. Oh, snap. Okay, not too much. There we go. Okay, cool. Then we go that way.
Use your legs.
There we go. Yeah, kick. There we go. A bit quicker now, yeah?
Okay?
Yeah, cool. Yeah, cool. Cool. Whoa. Kick a big one. Gotta stick on the sport, boy. Oh, shit. Wow. It's actually really hard.
Yeah, there's lots to do at once.
Yeah.
Coordinated.
Okay. Ooh.
Ready to go again?
Yeah. Oh, let me go. Let me take a little run up actually. Okay, here we go.
That's it. Good.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Straight down there.
Whoa. Come that way, man. Oh, she chipped.
It's okay. Just keep cool. This hand came up as you were going faster, which meant she was turning in.
Oh.
Okay, so she did do what you asked her to.
Okay, yeah, I hear you.
Get down here was really good. She got her straightened up really well.
Yeah. And then we go quick now.
Now go fast down here.
There we go. Woo! There we go. Yeah. Okay. Let's try that again, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so turn the nose into the middle.
Oh, I'm good at this now. Woo! Whoa. There's something there. Don't touch that. Ooh. Okay. Line her up.
That's it. Now you go.
Whoa. Okay. No, it's not. Right, for the first time, I'm actually sick. I'm actually sick. Oh yeah. You're gonna have to get that higher for me. You're gonna get me to the races. I'm gonna be in the races next year. Woo! Wow. Yeah.
Right, so now she's been good.
Yeah.
Give her some strokes and some pats so she knows that she's been good.
You've been great. She's got really strong. Jesus Christ. Is that bones or muscle?
Shoulders.
Shoulders.
There, so you know how that ours stick out?
Yeah.
That's her sticky out bones.
Wow.
Same on the shoulders.
That's insane.
And then they're judged on how fat they are. You like look at their neck, their belly area, and their bum, 3 different bits to figure out how chubby they are.
She's 700 kg.
Yeah.
That's insane.
Yeah. There's a bridge that we stand them on to weigh them on, and then it just sort of shows up the numbers of them.
Wow.
I think she was 710.
Does she do any competition?
No, not anymore. She used to when she was younger. She'd do jumping competitions.
But
yeah, she doesn't do any now.
Have you got any racing horses in here?
No, we did have one that used to be a racehorse, but it left earlier this week to go to another yard.
Okay.
But he was retired. He wasn't so good at it.
Okay. But she couldn't. This girl couldn't
race.
She couldn't race.
She's too chunky. They have like really skinny legs, much finer bodies.
Okay. This is like a long distance horse basically. You could do a little trip to Malaga from here, and you might get there by Wednesday. But okay. Yeah. I feel like I'm not trying to be cocky or anything, people, but I feel like you should get that a little bit higher for me because I'm just getting a bit, it's getting a bit too easy now. But I'm loving it. I'm loving it.
See if you can lift yourself up and just do it. Do you know how you would stand up before?
Yeah.
You can do it while you're walking around, just get your balance again.
What, like this?
Really, and then just hold yourself up there. That's it.
Oh boy.
Yeah, what's that?
Oh boy. A bit scary.
That's it. That's good, and much better than you would do. So, oh my god. So then let's try rising trot again. Stand up and sit down while she goes for a run.
Okay.
Yeah?
Wait. Okay. Cool. Scoop.
Because now you're confident enough to push yourself up.
Yeah.
You should find it easier to get yourself up and down.
Yeah.
That's it. So stand up. Yeah, that's it. Well done. Good. Right, and again like that. So take her around the edge again. And then just see if when she's going around, she can lift yourself up.
Okay. When she's trotting to see if okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it. Yes, good. That's it. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down.
Woo!
She needs to get yourself up.
Okay.
Right, so as soon as you stand up, sit down.
All right.
Then stand up again. Make sure it's a definite stand up.
So as soon as she, sorry, say that again?
As soon as you stand up, sit down.
Okay.
As soon as you sat down, stand up again.
Okay.
And make sure it's a definite stand up and sit down, not just a bounce, trying to go too fast.
Okay.
Okay?
So it's a pool situation, like?
Yeah, like that. That's really good.
Okay, cool. Oh yeah.
That's a good bit.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah, let's get it. Cool.
Okay, go on then.
Let's get it.
Try again, have we?
That way, yeah. Okay, cool.
Okay, so go across the edge a bit more. A bit easier.
Yep. Yeah, come this way a little bit. And then we come to this bit over here.
And then just give her a bit of pull to pull her head up.
Yep.
Okay. Right, then stand yourself up. Yes, good. Down, stand up, down. Keep doing it like that.
Okay. Yeah, but you can feel it shaking. I can feel my bum shaking when I stand up. I don't know why it's shaking like that. It's never shaken like that before. I'm not at carnival. Okay, let's go.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Give her a little kick to go. And push yourself up. Then fire yourself. Well done. Stand forwards as you stand up. Well done. Going up and down again. There you go. Well done. Really good. Right, it probably feels awkward to start with, but the more you do it, it's so much smoother and easier.
So you want me to keep my back straight, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I feel like I hurt my parts a little bit there. Oh, sorry.
So good inside up then.
Yeah. Ooh.
Take both your feet out.
Yep.
And then sit down. Put your reins into this hand.
So my reins.
Both of these straps, yeah.
Yep.
Put them both in this hand.
Yep.
That hand stays on the front there. Lean forwards. Put that leg over her bum. So you're basically going to come down like that.
Okay.
Onto the floor.
Like
Bend your knees as you land.
So like a cowgirl, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh fuck. Oh my gosh.
There you go.
Okay. I know girls love a man on a horse. Am I right, Phoebe?
Yeah.
Yeah, girls love a man on a horse, so I suggest you go and do horse riding because it's going to boost your confidence up. My gluteus maximus has left the group chat, and I hurt my parts as well while horse riding, but what a fucking experience. Tell us how I did.
Yeah, I think you did really well. Because you started off not really able to do anything at all, didn't you?
Yeah, yeah.
And then at the end, you can trot around by yourself.
Yeah, confidence.
And do your rising trot, yeah.
Yeah, like.
Yeah, really good.
I feel like I could approach any female nowadays and say, listen, I can ride a horse. Can I get your number? That's how I feel nowadays. Like, I feel like my confidence is up the roof.
Yeah.
And I can't thank you enough for helping us out today.
Yeah, that's good.
But if you had to rate my performance out of 10, could you give us an honest
7.5.
7.5 out of 10? Listen, I take that. But like I said earlier, women love a man on a horse, so I suggest you get on a horse. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Love and guidance.
That's a bit unsuccessful. My front looks a bit better than my back now. Did you hear that? It's down the float in there, isn't it? Stop it.